Hi and very good morning. My name is Sameer Bhargav. I am an advertising consultant. First and foremost, we are really thankful for the valuable time that you have put in to know about our product and services. Really thank you for that. Please allow me to take you through a short presentation of mine where I am going to showcase you what we do, who are the people we are collaborated with, what are the success stories we have created for our clients, and what our client speaks about us. Let's start the presentation. Whatever we speak, it creates a noise. Noise creates a visibility, and visibility helps in getting attention. So let's create a noise. Hi, my name is Sameer Bhargav. I am an advertising consultant. I am working in this industry from last 20 years. I have worked with top agencies like Shell Communication, Percep Group, Haku Hudu, Allied Media, Group M, TDI, Dentsu, Madison, and brands like Samsung, Panasonic, Canon, Toshiba, Daikin, Pepsi, HDFC Bank, Tata Motors, and many more. Year back, I have started my own advertising consultancy by bringing together the bunch of advertising professionals and group who were already working in this industry from last decades. In this group, we do a lot of value creations for our client and help them to succeed to achieve their goals with the help of our experiential media. In my family, I am the second generation in advertising, married to a talented woman and father of a smart boy. Now, my mission is to help corporate brands like you to boost your sales with the help of our experiential media. I will quickly take you through my consortium and the services. Subhash Bhargav is an advertising expert, having rich experience of 50 years in advertising. He is my father and mentor to me. Ruchika Bhargav is my sibling and creative consultant associated with Rajasthan Patrika in Mumbai. Dipesh and Ritu Bhargav are my first cousins. Ritu Bhargav is into printing and packaging business. Dipesh along with Mayur is into event exhibition, retail merchandising, interior designing and revamps. Sunanda handles my press release projects. Deepak and Gautam are my traditional media partners and champions. We are having 6,000 plus gated societies, RWAs and condominiums. Along with that, we have programmatic digital screens installed in bar and malls, in metro and mini metro cities. Gaurav and Sachin are my digital arms and old associates from the time of IndiaResults.com, Nimbus and Naptol.com. They are the best expert to handle lead-based performance and visibility campaign. They handle social media and Google ad campaigns. They do SEO, SEM, SEC and many more. We are well equipped to serve you 360-degree solutions with the help of our strategic approach and experiential media across India and digitally beyond that. We are the bunch of reliable and experienced professionals. We do keep 100% transparency between our clients and publishers. I am taking you directly to my digital section. We provide solution for lead-based performance and visibility campaigns. We handle social media and Google Ads campaign, search engine optimization, web and Google Analytics, designing and development of website, mobile app and software. We are also affiliated with 100 plus listed publishers. We are happy to share few case studies and the client testimonials. We are working on multiple projects with various segmented category clients like BSFI, education, automobile, aviation, fashion and lifestyle, travel industry, consumer appliances, FMCG, and few more. So, client is the digital fifth. It's an ongoing campaign. We have promoted brands offering across multiple media channels, which includes LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google Ads. On LinkedIn ads, we help client to increase conversion by 500x with our effective CPA versus what client was doing in the past. Facebook Google Ads platform also seems to drive good conversions for the client, but LinkedIn as a platform was a major conversion driving platform. Mahindra Blazo X, the best example of TVC retargeting. The campaign was drive out using the combination of technology, semantic video, and TVC. The mechanism to capture digital TV campaign in real time to duplicate message on second device, and the other one for audio recognition to provide relevant pre-roll against the relevant content. These are the screenshots for the ad campaign report where by driving out this campaign around 7 million ad requests from 3.88 million unique devices were captured during the period. Next is Havas Aerotic. They are into MRO business and do machine repair and overhauling for aviation industry. We have taken up the project and organized press conference in just one working day, which went very good. And news was published almost by all news channels in print, electronic, and digital platforms. You can check the PPT. All publication houses' logos are hyperlinked with the relevant news and interviews. The project was about the collaboration of Havas Aerotic with Saffron Airlines and with Delhi Flying Club.
Hi friends, we are at Defence Colony Association's JCO Club today for an RW activation. As you can see, we are showcasing our entire range of cleaning equipment to empower the Indian household to have effective cleaning both in terms of cleanliness and hygiene. Today we had a very good audience of more than 100 people who actively listened and came to the conclusion that mechanization of cleaning is the only way to have a better clean home. A clean nation will emerge from a clean home. स्वच्छ भारत का निर्माण एक स्वच्छ घर से होगा. And Karcher in its capacity is doing service to the nation by providing machines which are top of the class and end up having a very clean and hygienic home. This is a part of the consumer immersion program that Karcher has started in 2020, and we will be going around India in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities to start, and we will be participating in all these RWA association events. We would also like to have a vote of thanks for AIW Media, our activation partners, for providing us tremendous infrastructure. When we do an event like this, we need to be correct on a lot of points like great promoters, great marketing collaterals, good marketing material, demonstration activities, PowerPoints for that matter. Everything was provided in full, and we are very happy that this event has come out to be really strong. What I can promise is that this event will be taken around all over India, and we hope to see you soon at a city near you for another RW activation from Karcher. Thanks.
With this, I conclude my presentation with a request and intent to work for you as a digital agency partner on board. Please do share us your former briefs in the times to come. Thank you for watching and giving your valuable time. Signing off, Samir Bhargav.